Hi, Phelan. Hi. Can you smile for Grandpa and Grandma? Say hi. We're just about ready to take a long Sunday afternoon nap. Right, bud? Yeah, you look a little tired. You bouncing a little bit? Can you smile again? Yeah, there we go. There we go. Hi. Love you. Hi, Daddy.